to read in your madrasa. We read Quran Majid, Hadith, Dua, Masala, and English, Bangla, mathematics, etc. I am very happy these subjects to read in your madrasa of Bangladesh. I will make my granddaughter admit in Nurani madrasa, inshallah. Thanks for your decision. I am happy to talk with you. Thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you too.
মারহাবা বলবেন না। প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন শুনছেন তো, ফনেটিক্স শুনছেন তো।